Hi guys, welcome to Dev Suhas. So previous week we explored about splice method in JavaScript, such as like how it can be used and what's the exact use of it. And also I'm just making a playlist of an array methods in JavaScript. So this week we are going to explore about slice method and we'll see what's the exact use of it, and also we'll explore how it can be used. Okay, so let me move on to Visual Studio Code to show you how slice can be done. So I'm going to declare a numbers array which is going to contain numbers from 1 to 5. The main objective here is I want to get the first 3 elements in this array. So if you have seen the previous video in my channel, so I have explained about the splice method. So you can also use that thing to get the first 3 elements in this array. The main difference between splice and slice is the splice method, like, it will manipulate your original array. But the slice method, it won't manipulate your original array. Basically it retrieves the copy of your array with the respective operation. So that's the main difference between splice and slice. So let me use a slice here. So I'm going to declare a filter array and I'm going to say numbers dot slice of. So it takes 2 parameters, start and end. So the start is basically the starting index and ending is the ending index. The starting index is inclusive and the ending index is exclusive. So let's say the starting index is 0 and the ending index would be 0, 1, 2 and 3. Because it is exclusive, so it takes the index from 0 to 2. And if I just say console.log of filtered array, and I'm going to save this, and if I run this file, the output will be 1, 2 and 3. So that is expected. So the original array will remain the same. So if I say console.log of numbers, and if I save and if I run this file, as you see, the original array remains the same and the retrieved array will be in a separate array. So this is the main use of slice method, and the main advantage is the original array will not be manipulated. So let's say you can also use negative numbers in this slice method. So let's say you want to retrieve the last 3 elements in this array. I can just say numbers.splice of -3, and if I save and if I run this file, okay, so as you see, the last 3 elements has been taken from this array. Let's take a scenario where there are a number of participants in a contest and you want to retrieve the top 3 winners. This slice method would be of a great choice. So I'm going to say const participants, and I'm going to give some random names. So we can, in this example, I'm just giving it as A, B, C and D. So just not to mention any respective names. So let's say we have some participants and I want to retrieve the top 3 participants of this array. I can just say console.log of participants dot slice of 0, 3. So the last index is exclusive, so I'm just giving it as 3. So it will give me 0, 1 and 2. So the output will be A, B and C. So I'm just going to save this file, and if I run this, so the output will be A, B and C. So this slice method will be of great use in the real time, and as I said, it won't manipulate your original array. So that's it guys. So that's it for today, and in next week we'll explore another array method in JavaScript. I think it will be useful for you guys. And also I have started writing blogs in my site called devsuhas.com. So I write about Angular, JavaScript, .NET, C#, Azure and etc. So you can just go to devsuhas.com, and if you go to our blog, so you can explore all the blogs about me, and if you want to know more about me, you can visit about section. And I also have a portfolio called suhas.ninja. So don't ask me why I kept that name, because it's the domain. I got it for free, so I just kept it. So these are 2 things about me. So you can just explore and support guys, and keep supporting, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.